we get to know IT pros really well in the SpiceWorks community, that it can be a difficult job at times, a lot of users, a lot of frustrations, a lot of technology and stuff. And there's kind of an old myth or at least a legend of IT pros leaving it all behind and going to be a goat farmer. And so we thought we'd embrace the goat farm team. And I think that's kind of where we're headed. We'll have some screaming goats. We'll have some other fun goat stuff, and we're just gonna go for it.
Probably be hearing a lot of screaming goats throughout the show. I don't know if you're gonna have any fainting goats or if you're just gonna stick with screaming goats.
We did some in-depth research on that, the fainting goat versus the screaming goat, and the screaming goat was definitely more favorable.